Today we are going to be showing you how to have your fog lights come on automatically whenever your park lights are activated on your 2014 to 2019 GM truck or SUV. If you leave your headlights in auto mode, at night your fog lights will always automatically come on. On these vehicles, the fog lights will not come on automatically with the park or headlights. If you want the fog lights to come on automatically with the park or headlights, follow this easy installation video by Boost Auto. Prior to starting, disconnect the negative terminal of the battery or batteries. The first thing you need to do is find the body control module. It's going to be on the driver's side under the steering wheel. We will be working with the brown plug on the body control module. To begin, we will want to just take it down out of the way. To do that, release the tab on the back side of the connector, pull back on the connector, and it will come down and out. Carefully pull the tape back a little bit to gain some access to the wires. The first wire we are going to work with will be coming from pin 10. That will be the third row down and 3 to the right. Take a T-tap from your kit and slide it over the wire from pin 10. With your hands or a pair of pliers, squeeze the T-tap until you hear it click. Now for the second tap, we are going to go onto the wire from pin 22. Take your T-tap and place it onto the wire coming from pin 22. Close the T-tap and clip it. With both of the T-taps now installed, it is time to put on our Boost Auto module. The orientation of this module is critical for the installation. The blue ring side of the module needs to connect to the T-tap on the wire coming from pin 10. The module is flexible enough to bend it around and plug it into the T-tap on the wire from pin 22. Just to recap, the side of the module with the blue ring is connected to the wire coming from pin 10. The other side of the module is connected to the wire coming from pin 22. Now just go ahead and plug the brown connector back into the BCM. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Just like that, your installation is complete. Anytime your park lights come on, the fog lamps will automatically come on as well. If you leave your headlights in auto mode, at night your fog lights will always automatically come on. The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We are proud to offer a wide selection of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV to take your build to the next level. To watch more videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you in the next one.